here's our ingredients. So guys, if you're ready and you have all the recipe, let's go and join me cooking. Let's start. In a pan, heat oil over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, saute the garlic until it's golden brown. And next, I will put the onion. You can choose different kinds of onion, but for me, I prefer to use red onion. Now, we can add the chicken liver that I cut into small pieces. I just keep frying it until 1 minute. I will put the vegetables that take a long time to soften, and it is sayote. I will cook it until 3 minutes. Add chicken liver broth, but it's optional. After that, I will add the carrots. I will mix it up first and let just keep boiling until the carrots is softened. I will add 1 more chicken cubes so it will become taste like chicken. Stir well until the Knorr chicken cubes is diluted. Next, let's now add the ground black pepper. After that, let's put all the other ingredients. Add here the baby corn. It is very important that you should wash it before we put it in a pan. We can now add the snow peas, and it is also known as sistero. I will also add the bell pepper. This is what I like to chop suey. There are so many vegetable ingredients. The next one that I will add is cauliflower. I will cook it until 2 minutes. While we were cooking, I just combined cornstarch and water. And it is what we call slurry. This is thicken the sauce. Slowly add some soy sauce. Let's put our slurry mixture here in a pan. I'll keep mixing it. You will notice later that the sauce gradually thickens. After that, I will add some cabbage. Just cook the cabbage a little. After 1 to 2 minutes of cooking the cabbage, let's now add the last ingredients, which is boiled quail egg. This is the last one that I will add. I just cook it for 30 to 40 seconds. After that, we will transfer it to a serving plate. We can now enjoy our chop suey. It's quick and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Enjoy! Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!